Fresh Meat Slicer. The Once for All Fresh Meat Slicer is a versatile tool for preparing meals with precision and ease. This slicer can handle various meats like chicken or fish, making it ideal for BBQs, hot pots, or meal prep. Its adjustable blade lets you choose between 2mm and 4mm slices, cutting up to 18 pieces in a single operation. Crafted from stainless steel, the blade remains sharp with the included sharpener, ensuring long-lasting performance. Cleanup is simple with removable parts and a hard bristle brush, while its compact design saves storage space. Safety is prioritized, as the design keeps hands away from the blade, offering a secure and efficient slicing experience every time. Mandolin Vegetable Slicer. The Dash Safe Slice Mandolin revolutionizes how you slice and dice in the kitchen, offering over 30 cutting options for perfect results every time. Whether you're making thin juliennes or thick matchsticks, this mandolin delivers precision with adjustable thickness setting. Its standout feature is its safety-focused design, keeping your hands safely away from the sharp blade. Compact and foldable, it's easy to store and comes with a food-catching container to reduce mess. Cleaning is hassle-free with an included brush for hard-to-reach spots. This versatile slicer is perfect for anyone who values efficiency, safety, and a tidy kitchen, making it a must-have tool. Classic Waffle Maker. The Bella Classic Waffle Maker transforms breakfast into a delightful experience with its rotating design for even cooking and golden results. Not just for waffles, it's versatile enough to make pancakes and hash browns, offering 9 browning levels to suit every preference. Its non-stick surface ensures easy release, and the removable drip tray simplifies cleanup. The folding handle and compact design, it's easy to store, saving valuable kitchen space. Whether you're treating your family to a hearty breakfast or gifting a friend, this stylish waffle maker is a perfect blend of functionality and charm, adding joy to any kitchen. Electric Meat Slicer. The OSDBA 200W Electric Meat Slicer brings professional-grade slicing into your home kitchen, featuring a 7.5-inch serrated blade. Cuts through meat, cheeses, bread, and more with ease. Adjustable thickness settings allow for precise slicing, from deli-thin cuts to thicker portions for sandwiches or charcuterie boards. The slicer includes safety features such as a dual-button start system and non-slip suction feet for stability. Cleanup is made simple with removable components designed for easy washing. Durable, efficient, and versatile, this meat slicer is perfect for home chefs who want professional results without the hassle. Food Dehydrator Machine. The OSDBA Food Dehydrator Machine helps you create delicious and healthy snacks right at home. Its LED digital panel and adjustable temperature settings, ranging from 95 to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, allow for perfect drying of fruits, vegetables, and meat. The 72-hour timer ensures precision and convenience, while the 360 degrees airflow system guarantees even drying across all trays. Its BPA-free trays are dishwasher safe and clean up simple, compact yet powerful. This dehydrator even includes a recipe book to inspire creative snacking ideas. Whether you're making jerky, fruit roll-ups, or dried herbs, it's an essential addition to any health-conscious kitchen. Home Touchless Vacuum. Home Touchless Vacuum offers a fast and efficient solution for keeping your floors spotless. Equipped with a 1,000-watt motor that removes dirt, hair, and crumbs instantly. Its infrared sensors detect debris, activating the vacuum without the need to bend over, making it perfect for busy households, pet owners, or parents. The compact design makes it easy to store, while the air purification feature adds an extra layer of cleanliness. Always ready to tackle messes, this vacuum is a stylish and practical addition to any modern home, providing a quick and convenient way to maintain cleanliness. Kitchen Food Thermometer. The ThermoPro TP18 Kitchen Thermometer is an essential tool for precision cooking, delivering ultra-fast temperature reading in just 2 to 3 seconds. Whether you're grilling steaks, roasting chicken, or baking desserts, its thermocouple technology ensures accuracy every time. With a wide temperature range and a backlit display, it's easy to read in any lighting condition. The compact design includes a magnetic back for convenient storage on your fridge or oven. Simple to use and reliable, this thermometer takes the guesswork out of cooking, helping you achieve perfect results in every dish, from casual dinners to gourmet meals. Electric Hot Pot. The Electric Hot Pot is a compact, versatile cooking solution for small spaces, designed to cater to those with limited kitchen space. It features a high-quality non-stick coating, ensuring that food does not stick to the surface, making cleaning up a breeze. The adjustable power settings allow you to control the temperature precisely, making it suitable for a variety of dishes, from simple soups to elaborate stews. This hot pot is equipped with multiple safety features, including overheat protection and automatic shutoff, ensuring that your cooking experience is safe and worry-free. Its lightweight and portable design make it easy to move and store, making it a great addition to dorm rooms, small apartments, or even as a backup cooking option for larger households. Motion Sensor Trash Can. The Eco Motion Sensor Trash Can offers an innovative touchless operation, thanks to its advanced motion sensors that detect movement and open the lid automatically. This touchless feature promotes better hygiene by preventing the need to touch the trash can, reducing the spread of germs and bacteria in your kitchen. The stainless steel finish adds a modern and sleek look, while the soft close lid ensures quiet operation, preventing any loud slamming noises. Designed with the environment in mind, the trash can also has an eco-friendly design, using energy-efficient components that help reduce power consumption. Its large capacity and durable construction make it a practical choice for busy households, helping to manage kitchen waste efficiently. Juicer Machine. The Test Juicer Machine utilizes slow squeeze technology to gently extract juice, preserving the maximum amount of nutrients and freshness in every glass. This method ensures that the juice retains its natural color, flavor, and vitamins, making it a healthier choice compared to traditional juicers. The machine features a wide feed chute, allowing you to juice whole fruits and vegetables without the need for extensive pre-cutting. Its simple and user-friendly design makes it easy to assemble, disassemble, and clean, saving you time and effort. Additionally, the juicer operates quietly, so you can enjoy fresh juice without disturbing the peace in your home. With its efficient performance and convenient features, the Test Juicer Machine is perfect for health-conscious individuals and families. Large Salad Spinner. The OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner simplifies meal preparation with its innovative one-handed pump mechanism, allowing you to spin and dry your salad greens effortlessly. The non-skid base ensures that the spinner stays in place during use, providing stability and ease of operation. Its large capacity can accommodate a substantial amount of greens, making it ideal for family meals or entertaining guests. The multifunctional design allows the spinner to be used for washing, drying, and serving salad, eliminating the need for multiple kitchen tools. The durable, BPA-free construction ensures that the spinner is safe to use and long-lasting. With its user-friendly design and practical features, the OXO Good Grips large salad spinner is a must-have for any kitchen. Electric Orange Juicer. The Eurolux Premium Electric Orange Juicer features a powerful 160W motor that effortlessly extracts juice from citrus fruits, providing you with fresh and delicious juice in no time. The one-size-fits-all cone is designed to accommodate various sizes of citrus fruits, from small lemons to large grapefruits, making it versatile and convenient. The juicer's stainless steel build ensures durability and adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Its simple operation allows you to start juicing with just a press of a button, making it easy for anyone to use. The juicer also has a drip-free spout, preventing any mess on your countertop. With its combination of style, functionality, and efficiency, the Eurolux Premium Electric Orange Juicer is a reliable addition to any kitchen. The electric pepper and salt grinder set. The Sweet Alice Gravity Electric Grinder Set offers a hands-free grinding experience, activated by simply flipping the grinder upside down. This innovative design allows you to season your dishes effortlessly, even when your hands are full. The adjustable settings let you control the coarseness of the grind, ensuring that you get the perfect texture for your culinary creation. The transparent design allows you to see the contents and monitor the levels, so you know when it's time to refill. The grinder set is made from high-quality material, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. With its practical and stylish design, the Sweet Alice Gravity Electric Grinder Set is a great addition to any kitchen, making seasoning your dishes a breeze. Nugget Ice Maker Machine. The Yuhami Nugget Ice Maker produces soft, chewable ice in just a few minutes, providing a refreshing treat for your drink. The compact design makes it easy to fit on your countertop, and its self-cleaning function ensures that the ice maker stays hygienic and low maintenance. The machine can produce a substantial amount of ice, making it perfect for parties, offices, or everyday use at home. Its quiet operation means that you can enjoy the benefits of having fresh ice without any disruptive noise. The Nugget Ice is perfect for cooling down beverages quickly and is a favorite among those who enjoy a softer texture in their ice. With its efficient performance and user-friendly features, this Nugget Ice Maker is an excellent addition to any space. Food Warming Mat. The FIPO Food Warming Mat provides even heating across its surface using advanced graphene technology, ensuring that your food stays warm and ready to serve. The adjustable temperature settings allow you to control the level of warmth, making it suitable for a variety of dishes. Its compact design makes it easy to store and transport, making it perfect for parties, buffets, and everyday meals. The warming mat is made from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Its easy-to-clean surface makes maintenance simple, and the mat is energy efficient, helping to reduce power consumption. With its practical features and reliable performance, this food warming mat is a great addition to any kitchen, ensuring that your food stays warm and delicious.